Welcome to Workspace Management. This is your very own work area inside WriterZen, from where you can invite and manage team members as well as join other workspaces. The WriterZen workspace was designed to make the difficult process of collaborating with multiple writers and editors easy peasy. Let me show you. Here in my dashboard, you can see my workspace. I'm also a member of Amy's workspace, which I can switch to with a simple click. Note that you can always switch to another workspace from the one you're logged into. There are three main areas to explore at this level: seats and members, limits and usage, and billing, which is accessible only to the workspace owner. Let's dive into each area. The seats and members area contains the members of your team, that is, the people you have added to your workspace. Along the top, you can see the total seats in use. That's one seat for each member, including your own seat. The number of seats you have available, as well as removed seats, total members, and pending invites. And below that, you can see each member, along with their email address and the timestamp of the latest activity. The search filter enables you to quickly find the team member. This becomes very handy when you start to grow your team. Now let's talk about high-level settings like account permissions, team and billing settings. And note that only the workspace owner is able to modify those. Other team members can only view this space. But when it comes to tasks, in this version, all content created inside the workspace is viewable and editable to all team members. So if I invite you to my workspace as a team member, you'll be able to see and edit all the content inside. Additionally, all members are able to use all the tools inside the workspace and create their own tasks, as well as view, edit, and delete all other tasks. Limits and usage is where you can check your workspace limits, up-to-date usage, and seats. All limits you see here apply to my workspace and all members inside my workspace. So each time a member runs a tool like Content Creator or Topic Discovery or Keyword Explorer, that usage is deducted from the available credit for the relevant tool. Here you can see my available credit for the Content Creator tool. To learn more about these limits, you can visit the knowledge base at freshdesk.writerzen.com. You'll also find a link to that in the article for your reference. Now let's talk about seats. We manage team members in WriterZen by the seat. In other words, if you have available seats, you can invite new members. This enables you to manage the number of members on your team efficiently and keep track of monthly invoicing. To buy new seats, go to Seats and Members, click Buy Extra Seats and enter the number of seats required. You can add a member to your team inside the Seats and Members area. You'll need to have available seats in order to invite new members or guests. Simply click on an available seat, enter your member's WriterZen email address to invite them to the workspace, and click the invite link. Your members will get an email inviting them to join. When accepting this invitation, they will be added to your workspace. And if someone misses the invitation, you can always resend it by clicking the three dots and then Resend Invitation. As the workspace owner, you have the power to remove members. To do that, you click on the three dots next to the member you want to remove and then Remove Member. And in case you're wondering, no, you cannot leave your own workspace. But you can leave somebody else's workspace. If you're logged into your own workspace, you can leave another workspace by clicking your workspace link in the top right, then selecting the three dots in the workspace you want to leave and clicking Leave this workspace. If you're logged into the other workspace, you can go to Seats and Members and click the Leave this workspace link. If you do leave, all tasks you created will be transferred to the workspace owner. Now, when it comes to seats, if the number of seats ever exceeds your team's demand, you can always remove unused seats. Let's say a couple of freelancers you hired to work on your project have now completed their job and you want to remove them from your plan. Well, you first have to remove the members before you can remove the seats. Think of it like real seats. The seats have to be empty before you can remove them. To do that, click the three dots in line with the seat you want to remove and then Remove Seat. Removing seats will reflect in your next billing cycle. However, if anything changes, you can always reactivate a seat before the expiration date. Oh, and do bear in mind that unassigned seats are subject to deletion. That covers Workspace Management. Have a play around and familiarize yourself with the features. It will help you manage your team seamlessly.